Hello, children. Now, as a part of this 11th chapter, Human Eye and the Colorful World, we are looking into the defects of vision, that is, vision defects, and what kind of defects are there, how many types of defects are there. Before to that, uh, all humans except Lord Shiva, we can say, because he has three eyes. Apart from him, all the remaining human beings are having two eyes. Why two eyes are given by God? With one eye we can manage, no? Why two eyes are there? With two eyes, how can we locate? How can we see one particular object? Because we are seeing the object with the both left eye and the right eye in from the left eye point of view. For you, for me it is right. The image formed by the right eye is of one kind, and that formed by the left eye is of another kind. If the vision defect is there, the images are not matched. Even if it is like that, our brain, the information, whatever we are seeing with our eyes, they are processed to the brain through optic nerve, which gives information regarding what kind of object it is and all. So, for a healthy eye, there is no defect. For people having vision defects, lot of corrections are to be given by using different kind of lenses which are prescribed by the optician or ophthalmologist in your nearest location. Here, if we consider the vision defects, these defects are of three types. One is myopia, and the second one is hypermetropia, and the third one is presbyopia. First one is myopia, the second one is hypermetropia, and the third one is presbyopia. What kind of vision defect is named myopia? Let us see first. If these ciliary muscles are relaxed, if the ciliary muscles are relaxed, then the eye lens becomes thin, so that the only distant objects can't be seen. That is a nearsightedness. Only nearby things we can manage to see clearly. We can't able to see the distant objects. So, in this kind of ray trace diagram, if we see, the image forms in front of the retina, not on the retina, the image forms in front of the retina. So, in order to focus the object to the retina, a corrective lens to be kept in front of the eyeball. So, a thin lens can serve our purpose here. Can't see it clearly distant objects. What is the reason? Excessive curvature of the lens excessive curvature of the lens, elongation of eyeball. These two are the main reasons. Excessive curvature means all the ciliary muscles are relaxed, hence the curvature is becoming big. Hence the eyeball is get elongated. Elongated means expanded. Expanded means the image is formed in front of the retina. So, in order to correct this kind of defect, myopia, a thin concave lens has to be kept. Concave lens has to be kept in front of the eyeball. So, once we use a concave lens to correct this defect, the image once again able to form on the retina. And the second one is hypermetropia. Hypermetropia means the image of the distant objects forms beyond the retina. So, in order to bring it back to the retina, a corrective lens is given here, that is a convex lens is being used to correct this defect. Here this kind of hypermetropia defect, the people can see far distant objects clearly, whereas they can't able to see nearby objects clearly. So, to see nearby objects clearly, this convex lens is given in front of the eye lens. Okay. It is actually the least distance of distinct vision is 25 centimeters, so we know, for a healthy human being. For a healthy human being, the least distance of distinct vision is 25 centimeters. That is, the distance between the eye and the object is 25 centimeters. Here in this case, the distance is more than 25 centimeters. So, in order to bring it back to 25 centimeters, a convex lens of suitable focal length is given so that the image is formed at the retina here. Here if you see, just as in myopia, what are the reasons for this? The focal length of the eye lens is too long. The focal length of the eye lens is too long, so that you can't locate, you can't clearly read nearby objects. Nearby, it uses to see the distant object, far objects clearly. And eyeball to become too small. Eyeball to become too small means our eyes are strained, so that we can't able to see clearly the nearby object, whereas the distant objects we can see clearly. So, here in order to correct this defect, a convex lens or a converging lens are used for this purpose. Then, if we consider the third defect, what is the presbyopia? Presbyopia, this is the main the defect. The reason of this defect is mainly due to aging. Aging means is when the people are getting older, this presbyopia problem will come into picture. Nearby, so here the power of accommodation decreases with aging. That is the main important reason for this presbyopia, and the near point gradually recedes away. Recedes away means it will go away. Away means they can't able to see the nearby objects. Feels difficult to see near objects and distinctly without correction eyeglasses. Even the distinct objects also can't be read clearly. This defect is called presbyopia due to weakening of ciliary muscles. The ciliary muscles inside they gradually becomes weak because of this aging problem and diminishing flexibility of eyelids. Eyelids is also getting diminished. Diminished means the size of the islands is become small like that. So at one certain age, one particular age, the old people, they can't able to identify the objects in front of them without the glass. So for such aged people, what the opticians do is this kind of two bifocal glasses they prefer. Bifocal glasses. Bifocal glasses means the upper side, the main glass is a concave one and this reading glass is a convex one. This reading glass is to locate nearby objects, read the nearby object, that is why it is also called as a reading glass, and this is to see the distant objects. So bifocal glasses are are advised by doctors. And even contact lenses also serve the purpose. Nowadays, wearing contact lenses has become a fashion for some people who are not interested to wear this glasses, That is why the doctors, they are prescribing contact lenses. Even though they are costly, for some people that is who are in the middle ages of 25 to 40, the people prescribe contact lenses so that their appearance will not be lost. It seems it means that they don't want to look older, even though they are between 25 and 40. They consider themselves as young, hence they not interested to wear this kind of glasses. That is why they opt for contact lenses. The cost of contact lenses are very costly when compared to the glasses. Hence, the three kinds of defects regarding the vision of the human eye we have considered: myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. One thing I want to remind you is, for human beings, I repeat, for human beings, these kinds of problems are arising and they are rushing to the ophthalmologist or optician to get the problem corrected. For animals, there is no kind of problem. There is no myopia or hypermetropia or presbyopia or no kind of. They don't know the meaning of glass because their vision is very clear. The animals have a very good vision. By nature, they manage themselves to see their organs functioning clearly. The perfect functioning of the organs of animals only we see. For human beings, there is no ideal human being without any defect, either vision or any kind of defect. Okay, thank you.